Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Flutter social apps inside need to today we need to create here the stories tab. We need to develop here. This is for the stories tab UI. Need to develop. First of all, we need to create this the app bars. Then after we need to search bars. And after we need to create here the friend user list. We need to display here. And after we need to story user wise you need to display here the three columns here the cutout, but we need to use here the one row inside three columns. You need to display the three image like this. You have to develop here similar to like this. And let's start. Flutter inside we need to write down here the storyboards story. So first need to create here the new files, new folders, as I need to give this here the story. And to give this here the new files, write down here story view. Like this creates, I need to create here the chat view, copy this chat view data and to paste inside the storyboards. Remove here the renames. This here the story view like this, and this here the brand area. Over here, change this here the name to sets. And to get this here the titles as a set has brand. And to here like this set here. Now we need to here only on its set here on it. And now we need to configure this UI. First of all, unused so need to see here. And now we need to go inside the main tab view and to see here the tabs point. And now we need to select here the tab and display like this here the display UI. Now to story and to need to as a story set and already prepared this data here to save it this here save. And now need to create here the grid view. Builders and to set years and to set here silver. The grid delegate x cross axis counts need to give this here the set as a 3. Now need to set here the cross spacing set here 8, and after need to set here the main spacing need to set as a 8, and after need to children's aspect ratio need to set this 140 divided 7 set here. Now need to clear F and give now set here the item count here the what length you need to here and get here so object no here and this here create here the new view your story cell create here the statelets widgets need to develop here and to give this name here the cell so what see and to give this here save this here and to this here the story cells set here one more things you need to set here the now need to set here roles physics need to here and to set here sync that has a like this here the displaying now need to create here stack we need to develop this here first need to go inside the definitions stack to develop here now need to create here the here the elements that elements as a top center and get here image sets Set here the image. Give it here. That has a box speed cover. Now we need to the spec. See there. Show that here. Like this set here. And to give here the width, width, and also need to side. Correct. Set here the border radius. Circular set 14. Leave at this here and display to set here and to try here the box to go inside the story view and to set this here the padding is in set all need to give here the display this good UI and now need to create the third set set here children's set spacer now give here cross axis alignment set as a center so set main axis alignments need to set as set here and to give also here systems give maximum. Now we need to set here image set here t also need to give wrap jets or wrap set here the border radius and to here the pin like set here now need to create here the fields here the value object, and now need to set here name property string. Also need to set style, set the text styles, give the colors, three colors. First of all, need to import here the color extensions. Secondary text need to set this here, and first need to set here font, set here regular. Also here size no needs this here. Also we need to increase this here the aspect ratio value. Go inside the story cells. Also need to next line. Now need to go inside the story tab and to this like this and to display good here the UI. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.